This guitar has a beautiful flame top. It's a tobacco burst. I love the look of a tobacco burst. It is a veneer top. That's just how they were doing them in '89. So we're going to play two tones through the rhythm or neck pickup and the treble pickup. I'm playing through a Mustang GT100 Fender. We'll do some clean tones and some dirty tones. Let's get into it. All right, everybody, make sure you tune in next time. For some more guitar reviews, and let's have a good time.